In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars with CPA marketing every single day. And I'm going to show you how you can do this for absolutely free and start making money with CPA marketing. So if you're a beginner, make sure you do watch this video to the end and utilize these strategies to start promoting your CPA marketing offer. And without more delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all, guys, you want to just simply head onto a CPA marketing platform of your choice and actually do go on to getting CPA marketing offers to promote. You could use the offer vault right here. You could use the Cpagrip, the CPA lead, the CPA build, the OG ads, the max bounty, or any other CPA marketing platform that is actually out there. And you can see right here that this platform called the offervault.com is actually an amazing platform where you could just simply go on to getting various kinds of offers ranging from affiliate marketing offers, CPA marketing offers, and a lot more other kinds of offers right now. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go on to filtering this particular type of offers. Maybe I'm just going to select the CPA offers, and I can actually do go on to selecting a specific country right there. So if I do select the United States right now, you can see that all these offers are actually available to the United States demographic right now, which you can actually do go on to promoting. Supposing I want to just simply filter some stuff out right here from this offer, I could just simply search for stuff that are actually related to that particular offer right now. So if I do keep on scrolling through and select a cool sweepstake offer right now, which I can actually do go on to promoting, you could just simply go on to selecting any offer right there and you'll be able to see more details about this offer right now. And supposing you want to promote this offer, all you have to actually do is to click on run offer, and once you do click on that, it's actually going to take you to the affiliate marketing or CPA marketing platform where that offer is actually available on. You can register for that platform and get the link to that particular offer right now, which you can actually do go on to promoting. And guys, supposing I do want to make sure, or I do want to promote an offer about maybe Xbox giveaway, I could just simply head onto this platform called canva.com and actually go on to creating a cool promotional video for that right now. I could just simply go on to selecting the videos right now. If I do select the video, I'm going to go on to selecting the mobile videos, and it's actually going to take me to a section where I can actually do go on to creating my video right now on this platform. So you want to just simply go on to creating an amazing video right here. First of all, you want to just simply go on to Google and search for the Xbox images. So if I do search for the Xbox game images right now, I can actually do go on to the image section and I'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing images right here, which I can actually take advantage of. So I'm just going to right click on this image right now or select this image to actually go on to downloading this particular image right now. So I could just simply come right here and just simply go on to clicking on save image as. And if I do click on that right now, the image will be saved on my device right here if I do click on save. And I can just simply go on to selecting other images right now, which I can actually do go on to downloading right here or saving on my device right now. So once you actually do this right here, head back to Canva and actually do go on to the upload section, upload such images right now, and actually do go use those images to actually create an account or to create a video right here on this platform. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to drag in the image right here and actually do go on to dropping it right now in this section. I'm going to just simply go on to enlarging this section right now. And if I do enlarge this to this, as you can see, this is quite okay right here. I can just simply go on to adding a text. So for that text right here, I could just simply put in something like, grab a free Xbox 360 today. I'm just going to come right here to this section and put that right now. I could just simply go on to increasing the font size of this particular stuff right here. So if I do increase the font size right now, I could just simply go on to the element section and actually do go on to adding a shape to actually make that side look quite better. So right now, guys, I'm just going to go on to adding this shape right here, coming right here to this section and just simply add in these shapes. So something like this. As you can see right now, this actually do look quite better. What you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go on to animating this image right here. So if you do click on the image, just simply go on to clicking on animate, and you can then just simply animate the image based on how you want it to actually look like. So if I do select this right now, guys, as you can see, this section has actually been automated. You just want to make sure you do go on to adding its next section right here. So right now, guys, I just went on to creating 2 images right here, or 2 scenes right now, and you could see how the video actually looks like right now. So this is how the video is actually going to look like. You can see how it says this could be yours right here. So you want to make sure you do settle down, take much of your time to create a video right here that you can actually use to promote this particular product. And once you do get your videos right now, you want to just simply go on to clicking on share, and if you do click on share, click on download, and actually do go on to downloading this particular video on your device. And if you do download this video on your device right now, what you want to do next right there will be to go on to promoting that particular video. And to promote that video, you want to just simply head on to platforms like social media platforms out there. You could also use YouTube right now, and actually do come right here, click on this plus, click on upload video, and go on to uploading that particular video right there. And in uploading that video, always make sure, guys, that the link right there to this affiliate marketing product, or that particular affiliate marketing product or CPA marketing product which you're actually promoting right there, is in the description of that video right now. And you could also endeavor to add in that right there, telling them that the link to this particular product is in the description of the video, so that they can actually do go on to checking out that link right there in the description of the video, and it's actually going to go on to directing them to that particular CPA marketing offer, which if they do complete, they do stand a chance of winning that particular prize right there. So you want to just simply use this strategy and actually head on to Facebook right here to actually start getting lots and lots and lots of traffic. And you can actually do use that on Facebook. You could also use that on TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and other social media platforms out there to try as much as possible to get qualified leads and traffic to your CPA marketing offers right now, and start making money in the year 2023 and beyond. And guys, I hope this video was of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure your notification bells are turned on all. So that's it for now. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.